Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the cold spray process of the ABS polymer or plastic material as a target and particle. And you can see here we used 1/4 of a sphere as the particle on the 1/4 of the model in the Eulerian model. Here is the Eulerian, and here we have the Lagrangian model. If I click on animate, you can see the deformation under the impact load. You can see here, this is the impact as the Eulerian, as the Eulerian material. Here you can see the contact between the target and the particle, and this is the final frame. If I check, for instance, the stress, you can see the stress. Let me use use this option is not available. This is good. Why this is not available? Okay, it is better. So see, this is the particle. This is the first shape of the particle. Then after the impact we have the stress distribution at the Lagrangian part here, at the contact zone. We can check also the temperature. Here this is the temperature. The melting temperature for ABS plastic is about 100 degrees, and this is a good degree for the contact. See the temperature for the Eulerian part, for the particle, and this is the final. Let me use ODB mirror, so it is long, it is better, and this is the full view. We can check the thermoplastic deformation. We can check the plastic deformation for the target or anything else. You can see this is the full view and this is the sphere, but we just model 1/4 of that to consider the full model. So if you need to model the ABS plastic material in the cold spray process by using couple Eulerian Lagrangian method, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Here find the English tutorial. This is the English. Click on title, then we will have the geometry, assembly, interaction, load, material, and any modules, and then the result as figures you can see. So the cost for the CIMP and English video file is, and the reference paper for the material is 28 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also, we have a full package of Abaqus for all people to be master in modeling and simulation, containing more than 400 tutorials. This is about 10 years experience, in the finite element field. It contains all things that you need as a beginner or advanced user you can use. So for instance, we have here explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics for any material, for with any ways, crack, soil forming, anything. This is a full package, really. There is no anything like this, and we will support you anytime if you have any problem with any tutorials. So if you want this exceptional package, contact me to this email to tell you about the payment process, the content of the package, the price, anything that you need to know. So don't hesitate and contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.